Hey friends, if you wish to enable HDR for apps using ICC profiles in Windows, then please watch this video. So let us assume that this is one of the apps. Right click on it and then select show more options, select properties, and then you can go to the compatibility tab. Now there is something called as use legacy display ICC color management. Simply check this button and and then click on apply and then on OK. So I want you to know one thing, that this is not exactly required because we are anyway using the HDR mode for the system in general. Okay, it is on by default. But if you want to do it specifically for this one, then you can. It is not required. Now, when you play a game, games and videos are exactly for which we need the HDR mode. So for videos, it depends upon the media player. And anyway, if you're running a 1080 pixel or a 4K video on your system, the resolution will pick it up automatically. Now, as for games, that is where you need the HDR mode, and this HDR mode is already present in the system. These days, most of the newer games are compatible with that. But yes, if you have some older game for which you specifically need this mode, then I have explained the procedure to do the needful. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.